Hello students, let's continue your second chapter in geography. Yes, class 7, let's continue your second chapter, atmosphere. In this chapter, this topic I will be explaining you, the ozone layer. The ozone layer forms a thick layer in stratosphere encircling the earth that has large amount of ozone in it. Ozone layer is present in stratosphere. In this layer, ozone layer is present. Ozone layer protects our planet from the harmful radiations that comes from the sun. Now what is happening? Ozone layer is not doing its work properly. Why? Because of human activities, there have been made many holes in ozone layer. And what are the reasons behind it? Causes of depletion of ozone layer. Excessive release of chlorofluorocarbon. Chlorofluorocarbons are used in spray cans, refrigerators, air conditioning systems, and some fire extinguishers. Second one is deforestation. Trees are the main source of fuel, but what people are doing? They are cutting down trees for their own use, and the result of it is more quantity of carbon dioxide in the air. Third one is large quantity of carbon dioxide in the air. How? Wood harvested in the world is used as fuel wood or charcoal. And after this, what happened? Large quantity of carbon dioxide in the air. It adds large quantity of carbon dioxide in the air. Greenhouse effect. Greenhouse effect, trapping of sun's heat on planet Earth due to high level of greenhouse gases on Earth. The Earth radiates back the received heat. The Earth radiates, see. The Earth radiates back the received heat, this. And where? Back to the space. But some of the heat is trapped by the greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. Some of the heat, they are trapped in the atmosphere that keeps our earth warm, which makes life possible on earth. And these are the gases which are present in atmosphere and which make life possible on earth. Water vapor. Water vapor occurs naturally in the atmosphere. Carbon dioxide is produced naturally when people and animals breathe. Plants and trees absorb carbon dioxide to live. Volcanoes also produce this gas. Which gas? Carbon dioxide. Methane. Methane comes from cattle as they digest their food. The gas also comes from the fields where rice is grown in paddy fields. Third one, nitrous oxide. It is produced when plants die, rot. Okay, that time this gas is produced. And last one is this ozone. Ozone occurs naturally in the atmosphere. Now your next topic is impact of global warming. Before knowing the impact of global warming, I am telling you the meaning of it. Global warming. Climate of the world is changing due to the pollution caused by human activities. The temperature of the earth is increasing and causing it to become warmer day by day. Our earth is becoming warmer. This is called global warming. Warm means hot. Global means world. World is becoming what? Hot. Impact of global warming. Change in weather. Change in weather. The change in weather will affect the kind of crops that can be grown. Plants, animals, and even people may find it difficult to survive in different conditions because weather is changing. Higher temperature. Also, what is happening? Temperature is becoming higher. Higher temperature will make the water of seas and ocean expand. Effect in the growth of different types of crops. The change in weather will also affect the types of crops. Some crops such as wheat and rice grow better in higher temperature, but other plants such as maize, sugarcane do not. The effect of change in weather on plant growth may lead some countries not having food, and many people could suffer from hunger. Fourth point is affects the homes of plants and animals. The homes of plants, animals will be affected all over the world. For example, polar bears and seals will have to find new land for hunting and living if the ice in the Arctic melts. Ways to reduce global warming: plant more trees, ban on use of chlorofluorocarbons, use of energy efficient vehicles, using alternative energy resources like solar, wind and tidal energy, following principle of 3 R's. 3 R's means reduce, reuse and recycle. We should follow it. Yes, students. Again, some exercises are there in this chapter. Exercise C, exercise exercise E, exercise F. These exercises you will do in book only, and you will be sending a screenshot of these exercises with your homework. That's all for the day. Thank you. In next video, we will be starting new chapter. Thank you.